Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. Today I'm sharing another $10 meal that you can make for a family of 4 or more, and that's homemade goulash. So if you guys want to see how I put this recipe together, keep watching. Okay guys, what we are doing here, we're going to go ahead and brown our ground beef. This is 1 pound of ground beef that I'm going in with. Now, if you guys don't eat beef, you can use any ground meat that you choose to use. Okay, that's totally your option, but I'm using ground beef. And I'm going in, of course, with my food chopper, beef chopper, meat chopper, whatever you guys want to call it. We're going in with that so we can get that ground beef finely chopped up. And then I'm going to start to add in my seasonings. Now, mind you guys, what I'm using, you may not want to use. So just pretty much use whatever seasoning that you want to use to flavor your food, okay? I'm adding in some Italian seasoning, sweet basil, some oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, and of course, some Szechuan seasoning. Not only is it going to flavor up my ground beef, but it's going to give it a nice color as well. And I am making this, guys. It is 0 below outside. So all this week I've been making a lot of comfort foods for me and my kids to have. And even my grandbabies came over, you know, they had dinner or whatever. But guys, yes, you want to, if you're looking for something that'll warm you up, fill you up, this right here will definitely do it. So I got my onion in there. I used a small, sweet Vidalia onion that I chopped up thoroughly. So I went on ahead and got that browned in there with my ground beef. Instead of doing it separate, I just went on ahead, got everything in there. So now we're going to start to go in with our sauces. And I'm using 2 cans of spaghetti sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes. And I didn't use tomato paste this time, but if you want to use it to give your goulash more flavor, you can. And we're just going in with that 1 can of diced tomatoes. So like I told you guys saw the title. This is another recipe that I'm sharing with you all that you can make with the ingredients costing you under $10. Now this meal right here will definitely feed a family of 4 or more, meaning, or you can have leftovers for dinner, at least for the next 2 days, or the next day for lunch or whatever, or through 2 to 3 days, guys. This meal right here will definitely last you a while, okay? So now that we got that mixed up, I let my meat kind of cook a bit. We're gonna go in with our noodles, and I'm using elbow noodles, and they had these actually at Pick and Save 10 for 10. So I picked up quite a few boxes. I'm not gonna say how many I bought, but I'm pretty sure you guys know it was more than 10, okay? So, and I also got a variety of noodles, not just elbow noodles. So we're gonna go ahead and just give this a good mix. And after we get this mixed up, guys, we're gonna go on with some cheese, and I'm topping mine with cheddar cheese. Now, mind you, you can use whatever cheese you want. I normally use, you know, different cheeses, but today we're going in with cheddar cheese. We're gonna get this on top and then cover it. And this right here is how it is gonna turn out after sitting. That heat just melted the cheese on top, and guys, this is so good. I have had this meal since I was a kid, guys. Fed it to my kids and had no idea it was called goulash. But now I know. So now I'm just putting you guys a bowl together, and we're going to give this a try. And I already know how it tastes, guys. This stuff is a bomb.com. Like I said, if you're looking for something cheap to make, this is the go, okay? So that's pretty much it for my video, guys, showing you how to make homemade goulash. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, share, support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you take care. Bye.